Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Before I begin this video, I would just like to point out that as I was setting down, I was thinking to myself, I really hope today's video goes like nice and smoothly. And as I was saying that to myself, I stepped on this bottle of open primer and smooshed it all over my carpet and foot. Good things to come. However, there are actually some good things to come because today's video is sponsored by Skillshare, which we're going to be talking a little bit about later on in the video. I guess I could wipe this off my foot. I would just leave it all in there and get my foot all good and primed. So today we're going to be opening up this box right here. This is the Ipsy. Which one is ya? I'm gonna assume this is the Ipsy Plus. I think it should tell me exactly like once we get inside of here, thank goodness. But we're gonna be opening up this box today together and then trying everything on my face. That's why it's currently bare. Almost said bald, but that would be in reference to my head. It didn't actually tell me which one this is, but I'm fairly certain this is the Ipsy Ultimate because there are more than 5 products in here. So for Ipsy, there are a few different sizes. There's a standard bag, which is $12 and has like 5 little sampley size, sometimes full-size items in it. Then there is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which has 5 full-size items in it. And then there is the Ipsy Ultimate, which I'm pretty sure is on my lap right now. And it has like 12 items in it. 8 of those are full-size and 4 of those are not. Oh, studded. Okay, so the very first thing we have in here is the bag for this month. It is nicely studded on the back, which I was not expecting that texture when I touched it. It has a little zipper to it, which is also studded in like a nice kind of aqua-y, turquoisey, dark green blue. So yeah, that's kind of a cute bag. Okay, moving right along to the products. I'm gonna go for the bubble wrap thing first because I like the bubble wrap. Oh, this is heavy. So the first thing I'm seeing in here is from Cella. The packaging on this is like really, really nice. Super like heavy plastic. It's an interesting shape as well. Ooh, that's very pretty. This is a super neutral palette, but it's really, really pretty. Again, it feels really nice and heavy. It looks like the pans are magnetic, maybe? Yes, they are. That's cool. Definitely excited to give that a try. Okay, the next 2 items we have in here are from 111 Skin, which we just got something. Oh, it's right here. What do you know? How convenient. We just got something from 111 Skin in at the fun. This product right here is $135, so the 2 little masks we have here I'm sure are pretty expensive. This is the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask, and this is the Celestial Black Diamond Eye Mask. Ooh la la. Both of those sound super duper fancy. The next item comes in like an adorable little box. It's all like florally, and there's some more florally on it. The Library of Flowers American Small Batch Perfumery. Ooh, I love perfumes. This is oh, never mind. I actually think this is a hand cream. This is a hand cream in the fragrance Honeycomb. Oh, it's beautiful though. It comes very daintily wrapped in this little box. And actually the cold metal feels so good because I'm already like sweating in this room. Y'all, I'm really gonna have to move soon because I don't have air or heat up here, and it gets hot. The packaging on the bottle is just as cute as the box itself. It's a tight little lid there. Typically with hand cream bottles like this that have like the little metal thing over them, there's like a stabby bit that you can just like poke into it so you can get your hand cream out, but this lid doesn't have one, so I will employ the use of these very, very sharp tweezers. Ah! Ooh! Oh yeah! I actually really like that scent. You can not taste. You can't taste it. I didn't eat it, I promise. You can smell a little bit of that like honey in there, which I really like the smell of stuff with honey in it. I just like literally can't stand eating of the honey. That smells super good. It feels very like rich and luxurious on the skin. Quite adorable. Not sure why the cap's so very, very tiny, but I like it. All right, while we're on the lotion train here, we have another lotion. This is the Hemp's Pure Herbal Extract Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Herbal Body Moisturizer for hydration and refreshing. I think that's the most words I've ever said like in succession without stumbling over them, and I'm pretty proud of myself for it. Oh, that smells so good. That smells like, you know, when you go to the tanning bed, and yes, believe it or not, this pale, ghostly, ghastly, pale as paste skin has been to a tanning bed before. It was many, many moons ago, as you've probably guessed. But you know that lotion they sell you in there for exorbitant amounts of money? It kind of smells like this. That smells really, really good. The pineapple definitely comes through on that. Alrighty, the next thing we have in here is an itty little vial. Dermadelli. I don't know why, but the name Dermadelli isn't really like evoking the most good images in my head. But this is a nourishing eye serum that is supposed to reduce under eye circles. It's a super tiny vial, but I mean, typically when you have something for under the eyes, you don't really need that much of it. And okay, so the next thing we have in here is a lip balm. This is the Preventative Measures 101 After Hours Lip Balm for moisture release technology in passion fruit. To me, something like this isn't exactly like the most exciting item to get in a subscription box. It looks just like, you know, chapstick, because it is chapstick. But I'm sure it has some nice qualities to it. Kendall Jenner? What? Okay, not at all what I was expecting this to be. I thought this was like some cool mascara packaging or some cool like lip balm packaging, but no. This is Kendall Jenner? She has makeup stuff now? Or not even makeup. This is a teeth whitening pen. Why is that so strange to me? Okay, so this is just supposed to be a pen that whitens your teeth and freshens your breath in this scent taste vanilla mint, and I guess it's by Kendall Jenner. It literally says Kendall on the cap. I mean, granted, I really don't keep up with I don't really keep up with the Kardashians. It says you're supposed to click the bottom. Ooh. I think it is lightning for sure. Oh, I should have done like one side with this in and one side without so you guys can see the difference. Just like 30 seconds of closing your eyes. You don't know how much saliva you can create until you do something like this. That's guys 30 seconds. I think you're just allowed to like eat it, although it just tastes like slightly minty peroxide. Not the best flavor ever, but do you see any difference in my teeth? I almost felt like I saw a difference as soon as I swiped it on. I guess that's the peroxide in action, but yeah, that's literally the last thing I expected to see in here was a teeth whitening pen from Kendall Jenner. The next thing in here is from Hey Honey. This is the Show Your Glow Colloidal Gold and Honey Beauty Mask for smoothing your skin and hydrating it. So this is just a little bottle of the mask from Hey Honey. I've had some stuff from them before, and I think they're a pretty good brand. The next thing we have in here is from Thrive Cosmetics. This is the what does that even say? Lip Mate. Oh my gosh. There is no way that wasn't a full 45 seconds of me trying to figure out what this said. Anyway, the Lip Mate in the shade Glinda. This is supposed to have like a rose gold shimmer. Oh, it comes in a pretty little container here, and it does look very nice and shimmery and pretty. I'm assuming it's just gonna be like a shiny lip gloss to go over top of another lip color. The next thing we have here is from GoTo. This is the Face Hero Powerful and Protective Face Oil, and I feel like I've received this before for some reason. I'm not really sure if in what box or if I even have done. It smells all right, but I do think I have received this before, and I do think I have spilled it all over my desk, so it's nice to have a replacement for it. The next thing we have here is from Complex Culture, and I think we received something from this brand before, maybe even in our last Ipsy Ultimate. It was a brush, and I hope it's not the same exact one. Oh, no, it's not. This actually looks really cool. So this brush is like a triangular kind of like flat kabuki brush. I don't think I have another brush that actually looks like this. It feels really nice quality. I do like getting brushes in subscription boxes because it's something you can use for like, you know, till it falls apart. Oh, okay, my favorite brand ever. We have something from Illamasqua, and this is the Hydra Veil. It's a cute little pot. I still don't know if I want to use Illamasqua products just because I had that allergic reaction one time. It's a spoon! It's so cute and little. I love it when products come with little tiny spoons. This one even comes with its own spoon rest. Wait. Oh, my hopes and dreams are dashed. It's not a spoon, it's an opener. I also didn't expect this to look like Jell-O. See how jiggly it is? So that's the product in there. It's like a jiggly gel type substance. And then finally, we have our last little thing also wrapped up here in bubble wrap. It is a little blush from Manna Carter. I haven't received anything from Manna Carter in just a little while. This is just like a very standard looking pinkish blush. I feel like I probably have 7 to 10 of these lying around somewhere. Manna Carter is a pretty popular brand in subscription boxes for some reason. So yeah, there's that. All right, you guys, that was everything that I received in my Ipsy Ultimate, and I gotta say, this one might not be my absolute favorite. I'm not seeing a lot of actual makeup stuff in here, and there just so happens to be like a lot of like very small skincare items. So that's like maybe not my absolute favorite. Really, the only makeup that we received was like the lip gloss topper, the blush, and then this little palette, which this palette I think is super cute. But overall, this box was like very, very light on actual makeup products. So I guess that means I don't have much to try on. At least we got to test out that pen. That was definitely the highlight of this box. And also, before we jump on into the try on portion, today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. For those of you who do not know, Skillshare is an online learning community that offers membership with meaning. With so much to explore, real projects to create, and the support of other creators, Skillshare empowers you to accomplish your goals. One of my personal goals is to become much more productive, like much more productive. As many of you know, I have been struggling a lot recently with just being like really overwhelmed, and unfortunately that just means that I kind of like shut down altogether. So I have been really interested in the course Simple Productivity: How to Accomplish More with Less by Greg McKeown, which I really hope will help me focus my energy on what matters most to be able to accomplish more. Skillshare offers classes designed for real life, so you can learn and grow with short classes that fit your busy routine. It is also incredibly affordable, especially when you compare it to other like in-person classes and workshops. And right now Skillshare is giving away free 2 months of premium membership to the first 500 people that click the link down below in the description. This will help you explore your creativity, and then after that it's only about like $10 a month. And just thank you again so very much to Skillshare for sponsoring this video and helping to support the channel. Okay, because I have so little to actually try on my face besides like a lot of different skincare stuff. Like there's a lot of different skincare things in here. I'm gonna go ahead, basically do the entire base of my face and then come back and try out this panel hand. And then maybe this Amanda Carter blush if I can't find another one of these like floating around somewhere in my terrifying pile of stuff. Okay, I'll be back. Alright you guys, so I just went ahead and finished my face. I was going to try out the blush, but I just figured that might be like kind of a waste of a blush. I already have a billion of them, so I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna go ahead and donate that. Oh, but also very sorry, I forgot that I had this like weird bruise here on my collarbone. I had no idea where it came from. It looks like I live in the Conjuring house or something, which I mean honestly might not be too far off. This place is kind of spooky. But I'm pretty sure it came from like me trying to exercise, which is something I'm not used to or good at. I would assume that's where it came from. Okay, now we're gonna try out this Acella palette. I really do like these colors. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is take this darker brown shade and put it on the outer corner. Ooh, that's a pretty color. That actually blends out super nicely. And I think I'm gonna take this more like camely orangish shade and put it around this part. So far those mattes have blended out really nicely. Somebody left a comment not too long ago saying that they challenged me to do a makeup look without using any brown, but I have no choice. Like honestly, I would be okay with this just being like the look just being done right here. This I could see slapping on my eyeballs like every morning because that's pretty much all I wear is like warm brown. Super fun, creative, inventive, different, and colorful. But for the sake of testing it out, I guess I'll put a little bit of this gold maybe in the center of the eye. If you don't really like pack it on, it's almost kind of like a glittery dusting. Maybe I'll go with that. That took literally 5 minutes. I actually really like this palette. I know that I've received something from Cella before. I think like some like brow products or something. I'm gonna smoke out the lower lash line a little bit. Okay, so I just quickly went ahead and threw on a wing and some mascara. This eye look literally took like no time at all, and I actually really like it. It's a very like subtle glam. But I feel like with this palette you could go super full glam if you wanted to, like really pack on that gold, make it look like you got coins on your eyes. I just did a very like light dusting of the gold, but I really like those brown shades in there, but I also really like warm tone brown, so I might just be like a little bit biased, but I do think they blended out very nicely. Real quick, I'm going to try on some of this lip topper here just because I think it might go with like the goldy bronzy look we have. I'm not topping it on top of anything though. I'm just gonna slap right on my mouth and all real thick so you can actually see it. All right, I'll zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see a close-up of what we have going on here. A very subtle look. We didn't have much to use from the actual box, but I do like the eyes. I like the lip color. It's very sheer with just like a little bit of gold fleck in it. But if you put on 7,000 layers and don't move your mouth around too much, it's okay. So yeah, I guess that's everything. So I can put on my glasses so I can actually see. I'm currently eating a lot of the lip gloss right now. Glasses, where are you? Alright you guys, so that was everything that came in the Ipsy Ultimate for this month, which I am currently blanking on. March, is this March? Let me know what you guys thought about it down below in the comments. My biggest thing is that there wasn't a lot of makeup in this. I did really like the one big makeup item that came in it though, so that's good. But just let me know what you guys think about this box or the makeup or whatever you want to let me know about. Also, thank you so very much to Skillshare for sponsoring this video, and I hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!